How to Weave a Fish by Lorelea Roberts from Offerings of Wonder by Lorelea. Lots of fun things we can do. Let's get started. You're going to cut 2 pieces of 1/4 inch reed 8 inches long. Throw them in the water, get them wet, and then we'll be ready to work on them. First, we're going to fold the pieces of reed. Fold one entirely in half, fold one about 1/3 of the way. We're going to take the pink one, we folded 1/3, and we are going to slip it over the black one with the short piece in front and slide it all the way down so it's sandwiched in between the 2 black. We're going to hold down at the corner there. Then we're going to take the top black one, fold it down in between the 2 pink. We're going to sandwich that between those 2. Then we're going to take the back pink, oops, get it back down there. You're going to take the back pink one and put it through the loop we just made. Don't pull it too tight yet. Now we're going to take that black one from the bottom and we're going to come up over the straight one and into the loop. Once we get that in there, we're going to tighten things up just a little bit. Everything should be holding there. Then we're going to flip it over. We are going to take the pink on the right. It's going to go over the black that's straight up and down and through the black loop. That's going to finish our weave on the back side. And once you get it through, you're done weaving, but now it's time to tighten everything up. So just take your time, move the reed, get it so it's adjusted. You want to end up with 4 squares on each side of your fish. And so just take a little bit of time, look at it from both sides, make the adjustments. And voila, you have a fish. Now comes the fun part of being able to make the fish your own. You can cut the fins in many different ways. I'm going to do this one just cutting on an angle, both the fins, leaving them kind of a medium length. And then I'm also going to cut on a little bit of an angle for the tails and making cute little short tails. So there we go, we've woven a fish. But let's look at a couple other options. When you're cutting the fins and the tail, you could leave them extremely long. Here's one done with the same color reed. Another one, same size, everything, we just cut the tails and the fins a little bit shorter so it looks smaller. On this one, we kind of fringed, so cut a bunch of little slices into the reed to give a little fringe look. We can also add in an extra fin. So this was just with a piece of scrap. It just slid it in there. You could do that on the tail as well. Here's one that looks like an angelfish with a long fin and tails. And you can use other materials like a ribbon or an iris sleeve. So this one I cut an iris sleeve in half and wove it up. Enjoy! Check out my website for more information about Lorelea.